It's always a great feeling to come and give you guys the entertainment rundown week after week after week. And with that said, news on Shenseea and Megan Tha Stallion. Because you know you can't say Megan without the Stallion. Koffee at Coachella talks of Carnival in the Metaverse. And you know we have the new music. These and lots more. I'm your host, Alicia. Let's get into it. Then Shenseea and Megan Tha Stallion did a collab called Lick. I said it, Lick. Can't show you know, but can talk about it a little bit too. I mean, me need to keep the look of work. Shenseea keeps working harder and harder and popping up more and more on the international scene. Last year it was Kanye, or I should say Ye, and now this year, the year not even mid yet, and she have a collab with Megan Tha Stallion. Talk about focus. The song, as I said, is titled Lick, and nothing but raunchy and seductive features exploding in this video. Megan Tha Stallion and Shenseea recently met up at the 2021 BET Awards after party. You know, if you did watch Entertainment Recap, me did do a little something on that. Stallion has won four BET Awards, including Best Female Hip Hop Artist. She win that. Shensea's most popular hits include Sheng Yang Anthem, Trending Girl, The Side Chick Song, and Dolly. Dolly keep it cute. She's signed to manager Wasim Sal Slaby, who manages The Weeknd and Doja Cat, and won the award for Best Reggae Act at the 2021 British Music of Black Origin Mobile Awards. Yeah, she did that. Also, 3 projects Shenseea contributed to receive nominations for the 64th Grammy Awards ceremony. Don't just take it from me, just go check out the video. Shenseea, just big up you! Amid the global pandemic, Trinidad and Tobago will be having some sort of safe zone carnival in 2022. Trinidad and Tobago's Minister of Arts, Tourism and Culture, Randall Mitchell, said that this move represents a reopening of Trinidad and Tobago's entertainment sector. He stated that given the economic importance of Carnival, they felt that it was necessary to consider what was possible and what events could be held safely. Minister Randall also said they looked forward to the development of a calendar of events and its subsequent marketing so that they can all have a safe taste of the carnival that is truly a part of us all. And I'm glad that him say us, yeah, because it's us. And since we are talking about carnival, St. Vincent and the Grenadines are looking at staging a carnival. But where's the difference? The scoop is Vincimas may be the first carnival to be held in the Metaverse. Wow. I know you're asking, right? What is the Metaverse?
Imagine you put on your glasses or headset and you're instantly in your home space. It has parts of your physical home recreated virtually, it has things that are only possible virtually, and it has an incredibly inspiring view of whatever you find most beautiful.
Hey, are you coming?
Yeah, just gotta find something to wear. All right, perfect.
It is a virtual reality where people can live a second life online. In virtual reality, you wear a headset that immerses you in the 3D environment. Imagine jamming to soca and whining in a virtual world with your friends. All in the comfort of your own home. Imagine that. Now that's big. Minister of Tourism Carlos James told one of their local papers that they have an interest in the metaverse, stating, COVID-19 has taught the world to reimagine how things are done. Therefore, it's only natural that St. Vincent and the Grenadines will be the first nation, possibly in the world, to begin the exploration of hosting its first carnival within the metaverse. He shared that discussions are taking place and very soon they will be putting together a working plan to request cabinet approval on how St. Vincent and the Grenadines can tap into the virtual space to provide the right avenues for creatives to express themselves and to earn revenue. Like, whoa, that's a lot, and that's amazing lot. Can you imagine me in the virtual world? Jahmiel! I mean, me ever get some headsets and see what can go on when I start stepping in the carnival. Because you see, Caribbean people, they're really stepping up. I like. Not tea, but Jamaican coffee at Coachella 2022. The Jamaican music genre has been moving through the airwaves across the world amid the global pandemic. So for me, it's more excitement than surprise that Grammy Award-winning reggae artist Koffee is set to perform at Coachella 2022 in California. She will join a cast including Megan Tha Stallion, Billie Eilish, Doja Cat, and Ye. Coachella is an annual event, but this year marks its return due to the global pandemic. It will take place at the Empire Polo Club in Indio, California, in the Coachella Valley in the Colorado Desert. Paul Tollett and Rick Van Santen co-founded this festival in 1999. Koffee, me, Nylah. This is a good look. This week's new music, and you know what, this is my favorite segment of the show, so remember just go on with the features then. Rygin King with Red Eye, Jashii with Born Fighter. I'm not lying, look most. This is a song here, make me shed a tear. Jahmiel, open up the third eye with Third Eye. Buckle down, win already. Yaksta with Mirror Mirror. Nylah Blackman featuring Teja with Dingolay. Dingolay, Dingolay, Dingolay with me now. Ding Dong with Normal Pree. When I said Normal Pree, yeah man, and Normal Pree. Take a look.
I really them I think that them attack. Them say the whole start done, them say they said pass. Them say me now walk and I know them name God. Me I analyze the things and what them don't want. But too real to people who false. That's why me till the bank so when I kill a pass. Me can't go trust nobody that a lifetime scar. Them woulda want to see we dead or end up behind bars.
Teja following. Come and know brighter days appear yeah, when it's time clear. And now you will be the light where you guide me in the dark days. Forgive my past, oh Lord, it make my heart pain. Protect my soul, cause them want put it past here. They talk to me, them just kill my friend, now what them want to me. Out of it, no see nobody fi argue with. But when a band fight on me, them can't bully, wally, papa was.
Buckle done, win already. Too late, man a king already. Millie pan mill already. Me enemy want me get kill already. Still they a dog. Did I easy? Time to go hard. Know them a fraud. Devil them a praise. Which card? What I wanna do? Me go link with the bubble with the broom. March out. Which tune? Permanent one room.
This the daffy. Cut off some people just to maximize my growth. If I never self-reliant, even know me how to go up many. Kick with the ladder, never want to see me go up. A lucky thing me clever fi replace it with the soap. Earth 6 Valentine toast, wouldn't mind me get a stroke. And all who said them love me roast me organs man a stove. So me sit back and watch them play it out, perfect show. Like Tuesday night special 2 for 1, remember.
Me drip them with a black in a jewelry, and them a carry belly for me like a gal a feel pay. All of them a do me hotter than a toothache, fresher than your wall of fresh, me never wear nothing fake. As the thing them drop, we forget it never late. Dior, Gucci on me. Me fly like eagle. S-class girls drive now my vehicle.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, these individuals. Happy birthday to you. Before we go any further and big up artists, want big up my cameraman or cameraman, entertainment recap cameraman, Aubrey Thomas. Your birthday in January this week. Big up you week after week. You are the best around town. Continuing on birthday big ups. Yes, big up Shabba Ranks, Audrey Reed, Ninja Man, Patra, and Red Rat. Happy birthday to you all and continue to do great work. And as we say, and this is show ya, big up you. And on that note, thanks for watching PBCJ's Entertainment Recap. I'm your girl, Alicia. Remember to follow us on all socials at PBC Jamaica. Thanks to Air Candy Collection each and every week. They don't miss for my earrings. And remember to follow them as the Air Candy Collection on all social media platforms. If you have a story to share, email us at asteal@pbcjamaica.org. Oh, and remember, always and forever, big up you.